Hi friends, today I am going to explain about EPCOS power factor controller model number BR4000-ER. So today we will talk about the settings of this EPCOS controller. So there are multiple controllers related to power factor. So in this case we will talk about BR4000-ER particular model. This model it's a 8-stage power factor controller. So you can see 8 stage means you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in a sense what is 8 stage means we can control 8 capacitors through this controller automatically. So you can see I will show you the total capacitor panel. So this is about total capacitor panel. So it is about 200 kVAr capacitor panel, and which is reactor panel. So which is APFC with reactors. So there is two types of capacitor panels. One is a direct capacitor, and second one is a reactor with a reactor. I will explain why reactor panel is here. And meanwhile there is one more unit that is called harmonic filters. I will explain about those things also. So you can see the green color what it is on, it is now controlled by automatic power factor control panel. So there are 8 panels are there. So 8 are in green position, means it indicates 8 capacitors are in on condition. So meanwhile you can see in controller, you can see this is a capacitor symbol. So there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 capacitor symbols are there. It means these all are in on condition. And still you can see out of bank. Out of bank means the capacity whatever it is there power factor to maintain, that is not sufficient. We need to increase some more capacitors to add it. You can see here out of bank, and it will show PF is 0.981 IND. You will get doubt what is IND. See, there is you may know about the lagging power factor and the leading power factor. So lagging power factor means there is a more inductive load. So leading means there is more capacitive load, right? So in this case you can see this is a IND, so means it's inductive load. So we need to add some more capacitor to lead it to the unity power factor, right? So anyway, I will explain what are the basic settings will be here, how we can configure the parameters. Okay, first you can see here 4 buttons are there. So you can assume this is a menu button, this is enter button, this is up, this is down. If you see menu button, you press menu button. So like this it will come basic settings. After pressing menu button you can down. You can see it's a service mode, advanced settings, basic settings. So there are 3 types of settings are there. We will talk about one by one. So the main parameter is like basic setting and advanced setting. In this one we will configure so what is the CT line and what are the things and all those things. So before that I will show you how they connected in the system. See, this is about internal wiring. So if I start explaining about this internal, it will take too much time. So that simply I will explain about capacitor panel alone. You can see there common C5, C6, C7, C8, and you can see bottom side also common C1, C2, C3, C4. It means this is a 8-stage capacitor control panel, and common is you can give, see, common means it will trigger the common, then it will give power to particular stage and the contactor will get on. Right, this is about this. So you can see here top side there is a R2 and N1. This is the main power, auxiliary power supply, and you can see here R2 and N1. It is voltage. Okay, so this is a voltage, and I dash is a current, means CT coil. So which is giving parametric things, details, everything from your EV main panel. So it is the CT coil is connected to your main phase, and there is one condition, whatever you are taking the phase R2 here and R2 here, it should be common, and the CT coil also should be common to the same phase. it should be in the same phase. Okay, so I will close it. So I will explain you how to set everything. You press the menu button, it will come basic settings. You press it and enter password. It will ask password. So by default it is 0000. So you press enter 0000. Then it came like a CT primary. CT primary is 1000 amps. So how you know about this 1000 amps means I can explain you how 1000 amps will be there. And you see CT secondary is 5 amps. System nominal voltage is 240 volts, line to neutral. Bank in use 8 stage. Bank 1 is 3 kVR. Bank 2 is 10 kVR. Bank 3 is 10 kVR. 4 is 25. 6 is 25. 7 is 50. 8 is 50. So right, this is about setting. So you can set like this. For example, I will say 1 is like a 3 kVR. How you can set this? You can press enter. So it will show you like this. You press, it will show like this. If for example it is 25 kVR, then you can change to 25 to 5. Okay, then press enter. So you can go to next. See, it's a 10. So we set bank 1 is 25 kVR. So we change the 3 to 25. We will check either it is taken or not. We come back to here. So you can see out of bank. So go to menu, basic setting, and enter password. CT primary, secondary, nominal voltage, banks and use. You see here, it taken as a 25 kVR. The system will consider now it is as a 25 kVR. But in fact, in my thing, it is only 3 kVR. I will change that. Okay, friends. So like that, you can set up to 8 settings. Next, go to advanced setting, enter, and it will ask password. So in our case, default password 0000, but we change to 1. System setup, you can set. So in this one, you can set what is the power factor you required. Either you need capacitive power factor or reactive or inductive power factor. Everything you can set here. Right. Next, so you can change it here. Like if you press enter, and you can make top, bottom, and everything. Right. So it is changed, but I will change to 999. Fast. Okay, so next, switch in time. So it will calculate switch in time and switch off time and discharge time, threshold, switch warning, health check, check attempt, frequency, system type, input, voltage, demand in time, energy rate, energy unit, energy power flow. So defaults no. Okay. So I will come back and you can go to manual setup. These all are normally no need bro. So we need only this thing, and display settings you can, if you want, you can change LED backlight is required or not, auto scroll is contrast, backlight, auto scroll, everything you can set here. To change passwords, you can go on to change passwords. Basic settings is like this. One setting is one. You can change password like this. Okay, bro. I hope people understand about this power factor panel. Thank you.